Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to social class. What did you learn in the previous class? Can you remember? Yes, we had learned about the minerals iron and bauxite. Now I am going to ask you some questions. What is the use of iron ores? Iron ores is used to produce iron. Where do we find iron ores in Tamil Nadu? Iron ores are found at Kanchamalai in Tamil Nadu. What is the use of bauxite? Good. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Where do we find bauxite deposits? Bauxite deposits are found in the Shervaroi Hills of Salem district. Give some examples for fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Today we are going to see another mineral, zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that is naturally present in some foods. It is called an essential trace element. Why is it called an essential trace element? Because very small amounts of zinc is necessary for human health. Our body doesn't naturally produce zinc. You must obtain it through food. Since the human body does not store excess zinc, it must be consumed regularly as part of the diet. Common sources of zinc are red meat, seafood, dairy products, nuts, and whole grains. Zinc is needed for the proper growth and maintenance of the human body. Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of many products such as paints, rubber, cosmetics, medicines, inks, batteries, textiles, and electrical equipments. The government supplies zinc tablets to boost our immunity against COVID-19. Next, we are going to see another mineral, potash. Potash is a metallical chemical element that is abundant in the Earth's crust. Its salts are found in seawater. It is a part of soil, rocks and minerals. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. Fertilizers means natural substance added to soil or land to increase the growth of plants. If the soil does not have enough potassium, potash fertilizers are used to improve the quality of soil. The remaining 5% of potash is used in commercial and industrial products such as batteries, soaps, detergents, dyes, glass production and gunpowders. Children, today we had learned about the minerals zinc and potash. Now let us recap the full lesson. Phillips minerals are naturally found on the dash. Minerals are naturally found on the earth. Dash is a very good conductor of electricity. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity. Next one. Dash is mainly used to produce iron. Which is mainly used to produce iron? Iron ore is mainly used to produce iron. Iron ores are found at Dash in Tamil Nadu. Iron ores are found at Kanchamalai in Tamil Nadu. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called Dash. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold and silver are called Dash. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold and silver are called mineral resources. Next one, non-renewable resources can be divided into dash types. Non-renewable resources can be divided into 3 types. Dash is extracted from gold ore. Gold is extracted from gold ore. Dash is considered as one of the precious mineral. Gold is considered as one of the precious mineral. Dash is used in making jewels. Gold is used in making jewels. Gold is also a very dash conductor of electricity. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity. Dash is used to make aluminium. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Next one, bauxite deposits are found in the dash of Salem district. Bauxite deposits are found in the Shervaroi Hills of Salem district. Dash is called an essential trace element. Zinc is called an essential trace element. Common food sources of zinc include red meat, white meat and dash. Common food sources of zinc include red meat, white meat and seafood. 95% of dash is used for making fertilizers. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. Dash percentage of potash is used in commercial and industrial products. 5% of potash is used in commercial and industrial products. Copper is used in all electrical appliances including computers, televisions, etc. Gold is used in making jewels. It is found in small amounts in electronic devices including mobile phones, televisions and so on. Iron is used to make vehicles. Bauxite is used to make paper, purify water and refine petroleum. Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of paints, rubbers, cosmetics and medicines. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. 5% of potash is used in commercial and industrial products. Children, study the one words and do the assignment. Thank you, children.